Hello and welcome to our Power BI tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the important concept of data modeling called fact and dimension tables. First of all, let's talk about fact tables. Fact tables are central to our data model, which stores quantitative data, which is nothing but metrics and measurements that we want to analyze. Each record in a fact table usually represents a single transaction or an event and includes foreign keys. Let us consider the sales table as an example of fact table, which contains all the foreign keys like product ID, ship mode key, segment key, and customer ID. Along with foreign keys, it contains unit price, quantity, discount, and profit of that particular product. Coming to dimension tables provides descriptive attributes related to our data in the fact tables. They help in adding context and making the data more understandable. Dimension tables typically includes primary keys and information about the products, customers, or location. If we consider the customer table as an example of dimension table, it is providing the description about this particular customer ID like customer name, country, region, city, state, and the postal code. In simple words, we can say that dimension table holds descriptive type of data with primary keys, whereas fact table holds aggregated type of data with foreign keys. With the help of these primary and foreign keys, we can establish relationship between dimensions and fact tables as shown in this model. Having a look at this particular model, we can conclude that sales is the fact table and segment, ship mode, product, and customers are the dimension tables. In any relationship between the two tables, if you observe one on the table side, you can conclude that particular table as the dimensional table. And in the same way, if you observe star for any table, you can conclude that as a fact table. Here I have provided few differences between fact and dimension tables. Please pause the video and read it. So that's it for this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.